Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing a knotless braided full lace wig that I received from Amazon, and it came like this. So it's full lace, no tracks or sewn or anything, and it does have baby hair all around the front, and it has an elastic band on the inside. So it came in this black bag, and it's from Kalyss, Kalyss, and it came with some wig caps and some lashes and hair jewelry. So I'll be tinting my lace with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color RDF10, and I already put this on my cap, so I'm just going to get right into the install. guys, here's the wig. I'm done installing it, and as you can see, look how natural this looks. So with the baby hair, I just kind of freestyled it and played with it. Guys, I love this wig. It looks really, really pretty. And this wig is about 36 inches. And it's not too heavy either, so you getting 36 inches, full lace. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave all the information to this wig in the description box if you guys would like to go purchase. And if you guys like this wig and how I installed it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.